So, when it comes to what others might say perceptual language or assertive communication, some people might call it nonviolent communication, one of the gold standards is the I statement. The I statement is a lot more useful than the you statement when trying to resolve a disagreement. A you statement is very likely to, as I said, invite defensiveness. The other person will feel attacked. It emphasizes blame and it promotes argument. It raises the tension in the conflict resolution because you're putting the burden completely on the other person and you're forcing them to answer to assertions that might not necessarily be true. And even if they are true, how does that relate to you? This is why I statements are so important, because it's not just about the problem itself, but it's about the two people that are trying to resolve the conflict. And an I statement, by stating your own feelings and your own perceptions of the situation, you invite problem solving and you emphasize the impact you have on others and the impact that others have on you. It's far more likely to promote a solution, and it's far more likely to not invite harsh judgment or anger. So here's an example of a basic I statement. I feel blah blah when you blah blah because blah 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 blah. What I need is blah 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 blah. It's a four-part statement that can very easily spell out the problem from your own perception and try to invite a particular solution. Here is an example. A friend always cancels plans at the last minute. Recently, you were waiting for them at a restaurant when they called to say they couldn't make it. So pause the video and think of a I statement that you can make in response to this problem. Okay, you thought of your response? Let's compare. I feel upset when you cancel plans at the last minute because I feel like you don't value me as a friend. I would appreciate if you texted me in advance when you need to cancel plans. So, basic I statement, there's a feeling, there's a situation, there's a reasoning behind the feeling, and there's a proposed solution. This can lead to a lot more productive disagreements between colleagues, between family members, between students. It's very, very applicable in many different social situations. Okay, I hope that you found this useful or interesting, and I look forward to discussing it with you further in class. So until next time, cheers! I feel happy when you complete the video assignments because it allows us to have a much more prepared and in-depth discussion and more exciting class period. What I need is for you to continue the great work. Thank you.